like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start.
Viewers, I am going to show you book racks or bookshelves which I made it from half-inch PVC pipe, T and elbow. Yes, I made it with half-inch PVC pipe. This one is end cap and 2T. How to join 2T I'll show you. You have to cut a PVC pipe and stick inside. That it shows like that. Inside this 2T, and you need PVC pipe, half-inch PVC pipe as well as half-inch T, half-inch elbow. I'm not using any screw. I'll just stick it. It's very hard. If you want, you may use screw, no problem. I'm using plywood as a shelf. I made it 5 feet by 2.5 feet in width bookshelves. If you want, you can make it bigger than mine. If you want anything else to know, please ask me on my comment box. I will definitely reply you and help you, suggest you how to make easily. If you follow this video, you can make easily. It's low cost as well as very strong.